24 by 36 mirror, ready for guest bathroom. So let's walk that way.
Rock on.
Okay.
Basically, we're doing this because we want to find out what to put first, the cart or the horse, right? We're putting a mirror up here where there's already a light and the light's in the way. This is a dilemma we're having.
So you see us messing with mirrors for the guest bathroom, and you're gonna see once Jeff holds it up about 2 or 3 inches, the mirror is way too close to the actual vanity light. So if you've seen in our previous videos, we had framing and then we had electric and plumbing come in to do the roof. This is part of the roof, of the location of this.
It was.
We could have said, you should usually know where or what size your mirror is going to be. This could have been a square and it would have fit well, or we should have just said this is needing to be a minimum of, you know, a certain height from the floor. But it's okay. Now we're at this point, and the drywallers and the painters, they still have to do touch-ups throughout the house, so it's okay that they come back.
Here we put boxes in the wall, and maybe we would have been better by just poking wires out.
Should we just poke the wire out, or should we have done the sconce box?
But a flat box kind of holds you to that space. But did we know what lights were coming?
No.
Did we know what mirror was coming?
No.
We should have just had a wire hanging out. Then we would have just had to drywall one little hole.
But you learn.
Light. I got you. I got you.
So now we are going to have to figure out what height we want to put the mirror at with these lights. Go down a little bit.
It's got to go right there.
It's on the blue tape.
That right there is the bottom of the light.